Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer orders from Amazon FBA to Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer orders from Amazon FBA to Shopify, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Manage FBA Inventory section. Identify the products you want to transfer to your Shopify store. Download the inventory file containing the products you selected. Go to your Shopify admin panel. Select Products from the menu. Click on Import to upload the inventory file. Ensure all product details are correctly mapped in Shopify. Next, set up your shipping profiles in Shopify. Verify that your shipping rates are compatible with Amazon FBA. Log into your Shopify store and go to Apps. Search for an app that integrates Amazon FBA with Shopify. Install the selected app and follow its setup instructions. Connect your Amazon Seller Central account to the app. Allow the app to manage your fulfillment through FBA. Next, enable automatic order fulfillment. This step ensures that orders placed on Shopify are processed by Amazon FBA. Test the integration by placing a small order in your Shopify store. Ensure it is fulfilled through FBA as expected. Lastly, monitor your orders and inventory regularly. This helps maintain accuracy and efficiency in your operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.